What does it mean to be a Beachbody coach? Well, in a nutshell, being a coach means you are signing up for the ultimate accountability to be the best you in your mind, body, and spirit fitness, and then you're helping others to be the best them. Now, being a coach means you get to pick your path of how you want to use the Beachbody Coach membership. You can use it for the 25% off ongoing on Shakeology Superfoods and other products from Beachbody, or you can use it to make a full-blown career, side job, 6 or 7 figure, gigantic, awesome, thriving business. It's whatever you want. Day to day, it takes minimum of an hour to work your business, to share your lifestyle and healthy journey with everyone around you and invite them to join you. It's about a $15, $16 business fee each month and being ongoing with Shakeology. Talk to me and apply below if you'd like to join our coach application group.